Rage will punish you, and it'll make a Bonbon an easy win at the pay-per-view.
Prez has confidence that Rage is going to punish him for an easy win at the pay-per-view. I don't know what's going on here.
We have nothing else to say here, so we are going to leave.
Holy crap, what a shot.
Can you just look at that? I'll take you. And he just nailed Bonbon with that splash.
So, it seems like the President's made me no match. So, right now,
Presence felt. Oh, what a super kick! What's he doing? Oh, God. Oh. What? I have never. Wait a second. He's going right at him. Oh, jeez.
I think I can tell what's gonna happen now, folks. And CTV 20 is gonna love this. Oh my God! Oh my God! What doing? He's calling to the gods. Ah! Big splash! Get up, buddy. Get up, buddy. Get up. Big. Oh my God! Big headshot with that keyboard. On the Bonbon. Oh my God! The keyboard didn't even break. Holy crap! What's this? Oh my God! He just broke that wood over El Nino. El Nino.
Is the belt on the line or what?
Fine, I accept. I'll see you later.
Oh my God, folks. Oh. Iron Man just threw El Nino into the trunk. Coming back. Ooh, taking out the trash. There's that nickel. Here it comes. Oh, giant splash. Oh, whoa!
Ah! Oh my God! Woo!
How do you like them apples?
Clean you all. Little Darlie, Darlie, you done?
Bonbon cannot. Oh! This would be a disqualification in normal wrestling, but this is not normal wrestling. This is extreme backyard wrestling.